Have you ever dreamed of escaping the daily grind and living life on your own terms? You know, waking up without an alarm, answering to no one, and pursuing your passions. Many people think you need millions of dollars to be financially independent, to make that dream a reality. But what if I told you that in some parts of the world you can stretch a $100,000 nest egg further than you ever imagined? If you're open to change, new cultures, slower paces and simpler lifestyles, you might find freedom and adventure in places you never expected. Let's dive into some of the most affordable and amazing destinations where $100,000 can buy you years of freedom. Thailand has long been a favorite for expats and retirees, and for good reason. It's got this irresistible blend of stunning beaches, bustling cities, and tranquil countryside, offering something for everyone. Now, while tourist hotspots can get pricey, venture a bit outside those zones, and you'll find life is incredibly affordable. Think about it. Rent in smaller cities can be as low as $300 a month. That's less than a parking spot in some cities here. And the food? Don't even get me started on the food. Delicious, authentic Thai street food can be yours for less than $10 a day. We're talking flavorful curries, pad Thai that'll rock your world, all for the price of a fancy coffee back home. So for around $1,000 a month, you're living well in Thailand. I'm not saying it's luxury living, but it's comfortable, it's exciting, and it's a whole lot of freedom. With some discipline and smart budgeting, that $100,000 could easily last you 7 to 8 years. That's 7 to 8 years of exploring ancient temples, soaking up the sun on pristine beaches, and immersing yourself in a vibrant culture. Now, that's what I call a solid return on investment. Next up, we're heading to Vietnam, a country that's bursting with energy, culture, and some of the most mouth-watering food you'll ever taste. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene beaches of Nha Trang, Vietnam offers incredible diversity and value for your money. Imagine renting a cool apartment in Da Nang or Nha Trang for a mere $250 to $400 a month. That leaves plenty of room in your budget to enjoy those delicious Vietnamese coffees and dive headfirst into the world of pho. Speaking of pho, a hearty bowl of this flavorful noodle soup will only set you back about $2. Transportation is also a breeze in Vietnam. You can easily hop on a motorbike taxi or rent your own scooter to navigate the bustling streets. In fact, buying a motorbike is often more cost-effective than using public transport in the long run. So how far will your money go in Vietnam? Well, with a budget of around $1,000 a month, you can live quite comfortably, enjoying all the cultural experiences, delicious food, and stunning scenery this incredible country has to offer. That means your $100,000 could last you a solid 8 to 10 years. That's right, a decade of exploring ancient temples, cruising through rice paddies on your motorbike, and soaking up the vibrant Vietnamese culture. Now let's talk about Indonesia, a land of over 17,000 islands, each with its own unique charm. When people think of Indonesia, they often think of Bali, and for good reason. Bali is practically synonymous with affordable paradise. But here's the thing, Indonesia is so much more than just Bali. Across the vast archipelago, you'll find countless hidden gems where your money stretches even further. Let's start with Bali, though. You can find small villas in quieter areas, starting at just $500 a month. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, stepping out onto your private patio with a cup of coffee, and all for less than the price of a cramped apartment in some cities. And the food? Local eateries, known as warungs, serve up some of the tastiest and most affordable meals you'll ever have for under $2. Of course, if you're craving Western food, it'll cost you a bit more, but embracing the local cuisine is not only easier on your wallet, but also a delicious adventure for your taste buds. Budget travelers often report living comfortably in Bali for around $800 to $1,200 a month. That means with $100,000 you could potentially enjoy 6 to 8 years of island life, exploring volcanoes, surfing world-class waves, and immersing yourself in the rich Balinese culture. And remember, that's just Bali. Venture beyond to islands like Lombok, Java, or Sumatra, and you'll find even more affordable options, stretching your budget even further. For those seeking a taste of Latin America without venturing too far from the United States, Mexico offers a winning combination of affordability, cultural richness, and geographical diversity. From bustling cities to charming colonial towns and of course stunning beaches, Mexico truly has something for everyone. And the best part? Your dollars go a long way here. Mid-sized cities like Mérida or Oaxaca offer a more laid-back vibe than the bigger metropolises, with rentals often found for under $500 a month. Imagine finding a charming colonial-era apartment with beautiful courtyards and all the character you could ask for, all for the price of a parking space in some cities. And let's not forget the food. Mexico is a culinary paradise, and you can enjoy delicious, authentic meals for just a few dollars. From street tacos to fresh seafood, your taste buds will be thanking you. Another major draw for expats in Mexico is the healthcare system. It's known for being high quality and far more affordable than what you'd find in the United States. This can provide significant peace of mind and potentially save you a lot of money in the long run. So how far will your $100,000 go in Mexico? Many expats report living comfortably on around $1,200 a month. That means your nest egg could last you a solid 6 to 7 years, and potentially even longer if you supplement your income with some freelance work or online gigs. Now, if you've been dreaming of experiencing life in Europe on a budget, Portugal might just be your perfect match. Known for its stunning coastline, charming villages, and laid-back lifestyle, Portugal offers a taste of European charm without breaking the bank. While cities like Lisbon and Porto have seen rising living costs in recent years, venture a bit further afield to smaller towns and inland areas and you'll find incredible value for your money. Think about it, rent in these areas can be as low as $400 to $600 a month. Imagine finding a cozy apartment overlooking rolling hills or a charming village house, all for a fraction of what you'd pay in other parts of Europe. And getting around Portugal is a breeze thanks to its cheap and efficient public transportation system. Trains and buses connect you to major cities and picturesque towns, all for a fraction of the cost of driving. Food is another area where Portugal truly shines. Fresh produce, seafood and local specialties can be found at affordable prices, especially if you embrace the local markets and family-run restaurants. Forget those tourist traps and dive headfirst into the world of Portuguese cuisine. So, how far can your money go in Portugal? Many expats find that they can live comfortably on around $1,200 a month, enjoying a relaxed lifestyle, exploring historic sites and indulging in all the delicious food and wine Portugal has to offer. With careful planning and a taste for adventure, your $100,000 could easily provide you with 6 to 7 years of European living. Finally, let's venture off the beaten path to Georgia, a country nestled in the Caucasus Mountains that's quickly gaining popularity among digital nomads and budget-conscious travelers. With its stunning landscapes, ancient history, and incredibly affordable cost of living, Georgia offers a unique and rewarding experience for those seeking something a little different. Tbilisi, the capital city, boasts a vibrant blend of old and new, with modern cafes and restaurants popping up alongside historic architecture. And the best part? The cost of living in Tbilisi is incredibly low. We're talking rent as low as $300 a month for a decent apartment. That leaves plenty of room in your budget to enjoy the city's thriving cultural scene, sample delicious Georgian cuisine, and even explore the surrounding mountains. Speaking of Georgian cuisine, get ready for a culinary adventure. From hearty meat dishes like khachapuri, which is cheese-filled bread, and khinkali, which are soup dumplings, to fresh salads and flavorful stews, Georgian food is both delicious and incredibly affordable. You can easily enjoy a filling meal for just a few dollars. Beyond Tbilisi, Georgia offers a wealth of natural beauty, from snow-capped mountains to lush valleys and vineyards. Hiking, skiing, and exploring ancient monasteries are just a few of the adventures that await. And the best part? Many expats report living comfortably in Georgia on just $700 to $1,000 a month. That means your $100,000 could potentially last you close to a decade in this hidden gem of the Caucasus. So there you have it. 6 incredible destinations where $100,000 can buy you years of freedom and adventure. Remember, financial independence isn't just about the number in your bank account. It's about having the freedom to choose where and how you want to live your life. If you're flexible, open-minded, and willing to embrace new cultures and experiences, $100,000 could be your ticket to years of fulfillment and exploration. The biggest investment you might ever make isn't in real estate, stocks, or even Bitcoin. It's the investment in yourself, in your willingness to step outside your comfort zone and embrace a life less ordinary. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your escape today. The world is waiting.